The next 5 days will make silver price drop. We've got another high stakes week for this metal. The markets are lined up with 5 straight days that will slam the price of silver. Check this out. If you're interested in silver, click that link in the description. Money Metals is holding this contest. They're giving away 20 silver eagles. Every month they hold this contest. Last month, Kevin from Kentucky took home a 10th ounce of gold. Click that link down below. Be the next winner on that list and take home that silver. Now check this out. We're starting this week with durable goods orders coming out. It's a big monthly report that shows how strong U.S. manufacturing really is. And here's the hard facts. Durable goods orders fell 1.7% last month. And that made it the second straight month of decline. You're wondering why silver has been skyrocketing. Well, here's one of those data points that no one is looking at. This matters for silver because nearly half of silver's global demand is tied to industry. Solar, to semiconductors, everything. So if manufacturers pull back, silver's industrial side takes the first hit. And when investors see that, they see that slowdown, they start trimming exposure and they pull out of metals. That's the first hit we're getting this week. Next, we have the advanced estimate of the U.S.'s third quarter GDP. And this is a monster because it tells us whether the U.S. economy is still running hot or if it's finally cooling off. This comes out Thursday. And look, this comes out Thursday. And the previous second quarter GDP, it came in at 3.1%. That beat expectations, and it sent Treasury yields surging. You remember this. They shot up to 4.7% on the 10-year note. So when that happens, traders pull out of silver. They send their money where it's treated best. We see this time and again. So even if silver looks stable early in the week, if that GDP print on Thursday is hot, it can light the fuse for a sharp pullback for this metal. We've got Friday is the emotional side of the market. It's positioning. It's risk-off sentiment. It's end-of-the-week profit-taking. And what's happening on Friday is that analysts at JP Morgan are estimating the U.S. fund outflows from precious metals ETFs, they reached 420 million in the last week of October. That's the biggest withdrawals since May. And that kind of sentiment shift, it adds selling pressure right when silver can least afford it. When traders cash out, it's typically on that end of the week, Friday. That's when we see big moves happening. If you've been stacking silver for some time, you often wonder why spot price moves so strong on a Friday. Well, that's when a lot of traders are making their moves. These next 5 days could be a make or break moment for silver heading into November. Manufacturing data, strong GDP risk, a heavy end of the week position. This is all coming for this metal. Well, get your own silver. Click that link in the description. Thank you, Money Metals Exchange, for sponsoring this channel. It's a great contest. Every month they're giving away 20 silver eagles. 20 eagles every month. Click that link. Be the next winner on that list. Take home that silver. And I'll see you on the next one.